Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you seeking simple ways to make money in 2023? Are you curious about the field of artificial intelligence? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will go through the top 4 easiest AI-based side hustles for 2023 that you can start from home. These side hustles are ideal for anybody wishing to make some extra money or develop their enthusiasm for AI into a full-time job, whether you're a novice or an established AI enthusiast. Also, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and toggle on alerts if you want to see more videos like this. Let's get started. First things first, what is AI? Think about having a personal assistant that can comprehend and pick up from everything you say and do. This assistant can anticipate your requirements and make decisions on your behalf by analyzing your habits, preferences, and tendencies. Now imagine that this assistant is a computer program, capable of digesting massive quantities of data and employing complex algorithms to replicate human intellect. That, in a nutshell, is what we call artificial intelligence. AI, like your personal assistant, can aid us in making sense of the world, solving complicated issues, and even creating new things we could not have conceived previously. However, unlike humans, AI can accomplish these jobs at breakneck speed and scale, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications ranging from healthcare and banking to transportation and entertainment. In essence, artificial intelligence is the closest link we have to a digital brain, a potent instrument that can help us uncover new ideas, developments, and potentials in nearly every field of human effort. Let us now begin with the first AI side hustle. AI transcription and translation is a side hustle that includes converting audio and video information into written text or translating it into multiple languages using artificial intelligence algorithms. It is an excellent approach to generate money from home by combining your language talents and technological abilities. As a transcriptionist, you will transcribe audio or video information into written form using AI-powered voice recognition software. Interviews, podcasts, webinars, and conference calls are all examples of this. To ensure accuracy and efficiency in your job, you will need to have a great listening and typing ability. You will be using AI-powered machine translation software as a translator to convert text or audio information from one language to another. This might range from website content to marketing materials to legal paperwork. You must be fluent in both languages and have the ability to edit as well as proofread your work to guarantee correctness and fluency. You're going to need a computer, an internet connection, and have access to AI-powered transcription or translation software to get started with this side hustle. You could search for freelance work on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Or you have the option to reach out to potential clients in your network directly. Another advantage of this side hustle is that it allows you to work whenever it is most convenient for you. Depending on your availability and ambitions, you can pursue your side hustle part-time or full-time. With the right tools and dedication, you can turn this side hustle into a profitable and rewarding venture. The second side hustle is being an AI virtual assistant. It includes using artificial intelligence technologies to automate simple processes like booking appointments, sending emails, and creating client reminders. It is an excellent method to monetize your organizing and technological talents while working from home. As an AI virtual assistant, you will engage with clients and automate tasks using chatbots or other AI technologies. To guarantee that assignments are performed properly and on schedule, you will need to have great communication and time management abilities. You may also require basic coding abilities or familiarity with chatbot building tools such as ManyChat or TARS. Tasks may include organizing meetings, sending reminders or follow-up emails, responding to consumer queries, or monitoring social media profiles. To fulfill the demands of each clientele, you must be able to swiftly learn new tools and adapt to varied workflows. To get started, look for freelancing opportunities on platforms like freelancer.com or People Per Hour. or reach out to potential clients in your network directly. You may even develop your own chatbot templates or processes to help out streamline your work and handle several clients at the same time. To be successful with this side hustle, you must have strong communication skills and the ability to multitask. You must also comprehend technology and be prepared to swiftly acquire new tools and procedures. The need for AI virtual assistants will only grow as automation and remote work become more popular. This is an excellent opportunity to transform your organizing and technological abilities into a lucrative side hustle or perhaps a full-time profession. The third side hustle is AI image recognition. AI image recognition is a technique that uses complex algorithms and machine learning to examine photographs and detect their information. This technique has a wide range of applications, from recognizing and analyzing patterns in medical imaging to identifying things in photos. AI image recognition as a side hustle may be a lucrative and interesting prospect for people with a passion for technology and a creative attitude. You can work as an image recognition consultant or developer, assisting both organizations and individuals in incorporating this technology into their projects. Building a portfolio of projects and samples that display your talents and knowledge is one method to get started with your AI image recognition side hustle. You may build your own image recognition models with open source frameworks and tools, or you can cooperate with others to build tailored solutions for certain industries or use cases. Offering training and teaching services is another approach to monetize your AI image recognition talents. You may develop online courses, tutorials, and seminars to teach people how to use this technology in their own projects. Eventually, artificial intelligence picture recognition opens up a world of possibilities for individuals eager to study and play with this cutting-edge technology. One of the benefits of this side hustle is that you could work with clients from a variety of industries, such as healthcare, banking, and retail. You can pitch your services to small enterprises, startups, and major organizations. As AI image recognition grows and evolves, this side hustle has the potential to become a full-time profession. You may become an expert in this sector and have a huge effect on the market if you have the necessary skills and expertise. Our fourth and last side hustle to discuss is AI video editing. AI video editing is similar to having a personal assistant who can convert your raw footage into a polished masterpiece without asking for a raise or vacation. It's like having a genie in a bottle that can make your videos appear so wonderful that Spielberg is envious. Well, maybe not that fantastic, but you get the idea. AI video editing as a side hustle might be an intriguing possibility for anyone interested in video production and technology. You can work as a video editor or consultant, assisting companies and individuals in improving the quality of their films and creating compelling content. Building a portfolio of projects and samples that highlight your abilities and knowledge is one approach to get started with your AI video editing side hustle. You may make sample films that highlight your expertise using internet tools and platforms, or you can work with others to create videos for certain sectors or niches. Offering training and teaching services is another option to monetize your AI video editing talents. You may develop online courses, tutorials, and seminars to educate people how to use this technology in their own video projects. So, if you want to add humor and charm to your films, why not try AI video editing? You could amaze yourself with what you can make with a little experience and a lot of imagination. As an AI video editor, you must comprehend video production concepts and be comfortable with various editing applications and tools. Working with AI-powered video editing tools like Lumen 5 or Magisto may also necessitate some coding knowledge. To deal with clients and understand their needs, you may also need to have strong communication skills. This might involve interpreting their vision and incorporating it into the final output. This is a dynamic and creative side hustle that allows you to combine your passion for technology and film creation while making some additional money. In simplest terms, AI is the modern-day genie that can imitate human intellect, digest tremendous quantities of data, and make large-scale judgments quickly. Its adaptability makes it an exceptional tool for making sense of the world and developing inventive solutions. We have spoken about 4 creative ways to use AI's potential for a profitable side hustle in this video: AI transcription and translation, AI virtual assistant, AI image recognition, and AI video editing. These options allow you to use your language skills, organizational abilities, and technical knowledge while working from the comfort of your own home. As AI technology advances, the opportunities for research and experimentation grow, making this an exciting moment to enter this cutting-edge sector. And that's a wrap. We hope you liked learning about the top 4 easiest AI-based side hustles for 2023. We've shown you exactly how to get started with each side hustle and how much money you could make. Remember, these side hustles are ideal for anybody wishing to boost their income or learn more about artificial intelligence. So, which one will you try first? If you happen to have any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section below. Also, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to remain up to date on our latest videos. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.